Hello, this is Mr. Savage, and today we're going to be looking at graphing an inequality. So first we'll want to make sure that your inequality is written in that slope-intercept form if you're using the graphing calculator. In order to graph any sort of inequality or linear equation, you have to go to the y equals menu. Now notice this is read as y is greater than or equal to x minus 6. And in our calculator it says y is equal to, and we'll type x minus 6. Now if I were to graph this, notice it gives me a solid line. When we're graphing inequalities, there has to be some shading involved, and there's no shading in this view window. However, this calculator, the TI-84, is capable of graphing these inequalities with shading. What you'll need to do is return back to your y equals menu, scroll over until we're highlighting this guy all the way on the left. And now, right now, it's flashing as a solid line. If we hit enter, it will cycle through a number of options. This option that you can see here would indicate greater than because it's in the upper right hand corner flashing. If we hit enter one more time, this would indicate less than because it's down in the lower left hand corner. And if we want to get back to greater than, we'll have to cycle through the other options to get back to where it's highlighted here in the upper right hand corner. So we have y is greater than or equal to x minus 6. And now this, in my view window in my calculator, also reads y is greater than or equal to x minus 6. If we go to the graph, you'll notice that it graphs the same line. However, it shows our shading for us. So in order to transfer this over to my graph, I can go to my table. Second graph will take me to my table, and I can plot two ordered pairs. So I grab my line. I will plot -2, -8. And I will plot 0, -6. I'll grab this point here. I think he got bumped over to -3, -8. There, we're at -2, -8 now. And then I go back to my graph, and my shading shows above that line. So I'll grab my paint bucket, and I'll shade above that line and check my answer. And sure enough, nice work, we got it correct.